Alright, in lesson 5-6, we're going to talk about linear equations in the form of y equals mx plus b, and we call that slope-intercept form because m represents the slope and b represents the y-intercept. So you have the slope and the y-intercept, that's slope-intercept form. Alright, if we're given a graph and we're asked to write an equation in slope-intercept form, the first thing we have to do is identify b, the y-intercept, and m, the slope. The y-intercept is right here where the graph crosses the y-axis, and here that's 1. And then we find the slope by counting rise over run. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3, and over 1. So the slope is 3 over 1, which simplifies to 3. Now we're going to use the equation y equals mx plus b. Y equals 3 goes in the place of m, so y equals 3x plus 1 goes in the place of b. Here, same thing. We're going to look at this graph and we're going to identify b, the y-intercept, and m, the slope. This is the y-intercept. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. So b is 4. We're going to look at this and know that this is a negative slope, so we're going to do rise over run, except this is negative, so it's not a rise, it's a fall. It's going to go down 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is -4, and the run is over 2, which simplifies to -2. So when we put that in the equation y equals mx plus b, m is -2. So it's going to be y equals -2x plus b, the y-intercept, is 4. So your equation is y equals -2x plus 4. Alright, and then on this one we have another line, same thing. We're going to identify y-intercept and the slope. Here the y-intercept is way down here, so that's -1, 2, 3. So the y-intercept is -3, and the slope rise 1, 2 over the run 1, 2, 3, 4. So the slope is 2 over 4, which simplifies to 1/2. So when I put that in the form y equals mx plus b, it's going to be y is equal to m is 1/2, so that's 1/2 plus b, so we're going to do a -3, so it's going to be y equals 1/2 x minus 3. Alright, if we're given a graph and we're asked to find the slope and to write an equation, and we're told that 2 points on the line are 0, 1, and 1, 4. Well, we can find the slope by using the slope formula, which is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And then we can label these x1, y1, x2, y2. So that would be y2, 4, minus y1, 1. x2 is 1, minus x1 is 0. 4 minus 1 is 3.